morning. It's Unboxing Friday. Let's see what I got sent this week. So to say I'm super excited is an understatement, because I do know what's in this. Hopefully it's what I think it is. If it is, you guys are gonna be stoked too. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think it is before I open it up. I snatched this thing up in a few minutes as soon as I seen it posted. This is one for me, so I am super pumped for this. It is exactly what I thought it was, just in a lot smaller box than I thought it might come in. Got our 4-horn. We packed it up really well. Has both nose pieces. I was concerned if it did from pictures, but it was such a good buy that I could not ask tons of questions. I was more like, yep, I'll take it before someone else does. Madison went and picked up a bunch of skulls this morning. She spent 3 hours picking up skulls. We just got back in. I'm gonna slide these horns on here so you can see what it's like. Bear with me as I figure out. Oh, it looks like that one. That one was this one here.
What if they hook forward?
That's what I'm looking for. Getting ready to do a podcast this evening, so I just wanted to unbox this bad boy, show you guys what I got. Just wanted to give you guys one more look at it outside, that way you can grasp a little bit how big it is. One thing I like to collect is 4 horns, so this one will be going to my collection after I clean it up and get it all looking fancy. And I'll do a little episode at some point showing you